I'm Zena.
And I'm Cassiopeia.
And we're Mcash. So, we just saw the early release of the third How to Train Your Dragon movie.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
So we decided to dress up for the occasion, and she was Toothless,
And this is Light Fury.
So, it was kind of weird and dorky, but
I mean, do you know us?
enjoy!
Alright, so I chose to just wear a black t-shirt with black leggings. And on top of that, it's optional. You can pop a skirt on. Using red, black, and white nail polish, I painted every one of my fingernails except for my ring finger red, and I painted my toenails in kind of a Toothless-inspired design. Moving on to makeup, I'm using a red lipstick for my lips, and for eyeshadow, I'm using the colors Half-Baked and Creep from my Naked palette. For jewelry, I wanted to incorporate metal and leather accents, so I found this beaded leather choker and put on a fang necklace with this, which I thought it was appropriate. I'm also wearing gold stud earrings to kind of match, to kind of try and pull it into the look. So under my shoes, I'm wearing red socks, and yes, they are Harry Potter socks, deal with it. My shoes are just black Converse, and I actually went to the store and bought red laces and strung the left one with the red laces, you know, because of Toothless and his tail. Also, hey, it's me, but from the future this time. The thing is here is that, we actually, you notice that the title of this is a re-upload. What that basically means is that we uploaded this once before, and if you were one of the lucky 115 people who saw that first video, I am so absolutely sorry. Here's a better one, so just wanted to fill in the time for you guys, but I'm so sorry again. Glad you don't have to watch that video. Bye. And because it's cold outside, I'm topping off the look with a black leather jacket and a fur collar. Next, I'm throwing on a black faux leather purse to kind of finish up the look and to have a place to put my stuff. I also added a cute black phone case to my phone.
Light Fury, and I did a cute turtleneck with some leggings. I decided to do a Viking-related skirt, so it's leather and to break up the white. I did a white nail polish. So this braid was inspired by Astrid, and I just thought it would look good. For my eyeshadow, I decided to do Strange and Buzz. I decided to do little specks of glitter on my eyes, and I got this from Sephora. I did a simple jewelry with a crystal necklace. I had to wear white shoes because it's Light Fury and it looked good with the other white.
Rawr. Hey everybody, thanks for watching our tutorial for dressing like Toothless and Light Fury from How to Train Your Dragon 3.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't be a noodle!